Wanted to do a quick review of the Magma Crossover Grill. Comes with 15,000 BTU burner. This can be used by itself. You can put a big pot on it and boil water or put a griddle on it and cook eggs. And this is the barbecue attachment that goes on there. It's got a heat diffuser, wind protection. This cutting board folds out. Look at that big old burner. Grease and stuff goes in the foil tray, so you don't have to worry about that. The grill itself is 15 3/4 by 18 out here. It's about 18 inches. Really rugged. This is a bonus. I love this. This is really pretty nice quality. This cutting board, you can take it off and do your meal prep on that. It's like 5/16, about 7 millimeters. Nothing feels flimsy here. It's just solid, all metal. I love it. This latches shut, so when you're traveling, this thing isn't bouncing around if you're on a bumpy road. I'm gonna go ahead and light it and see how long it takes to get up to 500 degrees. It's on high. Get the timer started. Come back and see when it's 500. Okay, we're at 500 degrees. Took about 14 minutes. I've got a ribeye that's got some Cajun seasoning. I'm gonna throw that right there. Whoop. And these ones are New York strips that I marinated in teriyaki. Oh yeah. All right, let's check this puppy out. See how we did. Ooh. That looks nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wow. Wow, that is delicious. This is the Magma Products website. This is where I ordered the Crossover Grill. This is the one that I ordered here. It's got the grill top, the burner. Really good deals on their products right now. They have a double burner where you can have a griddle and the barbecue going at the same time, or they have a pizza oven that you can add to the Crossover Grill and cook pizzas while you're tailgating or while you're out camping. It's a pretty cool lineup of products that they have, and the build quality is excellent. I recommend you guys check it out. Anyway, that's it for this time. Thanks for stopping by, and always dig deep.